show you how to place an earn order. Earn is a product that allows you to earn additional income on your crypto or stablecoins. Your assets are allocated to this product for a chosen period, and Q9 will pay you a fixed return at maturity. To allocate to Earn, first navigate to the Invest tab and choose Earn from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Earn page. You will see a range of options of coins and rates. In this instance, we are choosing to earn an annualized yield of 5.5% on 100,000 USDC with a 30-day duration. You will see an automatic calculation of your settlement amount for the 30 days. In this instance, the monthly payout is 452.05 USDC, plus your principal of 100,000 USDC. Your investment can automatically be rolled into a new period at maturity, so your investments can compound over time, and you don't have to manually allocate. Select Auto Roll, and the entire sum will be automatically rolled over at the prevailing rate. Now press Confirm. Check your Earn transaction, and then press Yes to place the order. You can view all your open positions under the Open Positions tab. You can turn off Auto Roll here by clicking on the toggle and opting out. If you have any questions about allocating to Earn or have specific requirements, you can chat directly with Q9's trading desk by clicking on the chat button.